Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about ticker symbol TWTR, and that is Twitter. Currently trading at 62.22, down around 5% from Thursday's trading session. Thought we might get a little pop in here, nice indecision on Thursday, especially off a big red candle on Wednesday. Thought, okay, when we're going to be gapping up, we might go. No, we didn't. We gapped down and then just stayed down. So we are below this 50% fib level. So that's going to be key for us. That's going to be our first resistance. And you can see all our moving averages are kind of all right here. This is kind of what you expect when we get really close to earnings, which we do have earnings coming up October 28th after hours. You kind of want to see tightening up here and then boom, just an expansion after that report comes out. But usually you see a little run up into this, not really a little, whatever you want to call this, a week where we just kind of pop for about $4 and then come straight back, right back down to the means before we get into earnings. So interesting watching this for sure. But again, everything's all kind of right around this 50% fib rate, retrace in here, which is right around that 62.75 area. Support wise, below that, we're watching the 60.93 area. And then below that, it is going to be the 61.8 fib level down here, currently trading right around those 58.50s. Now, if we do get back above this 50% fib retrace, our next resistance is going to be up here at this 38.2, which is currently trading at 67. And then above that, we're going to be watching this $70 level here. Had problems with that in the past, but we have to get above this 38.2 before we even start worrying about that. IV ranking here is relatively high, 30. So you got some good juice. Obviously, earnings coming up next week. That's going to do that. Right around a $7 expected move by next Friday is what everybody is pricing in. Raw IV right around 104 in there. Following Friday, everybody's pricing in about the same, $6.50. The next Friday around 672, and then if you got to your November monthlies, everybody's pricing in right around $7 in there. So again, you got a lot of juice in here, and it looks like volume wise, everybody's in on the call side, 63 to 65s. A little bit on the 70s, 71s as well. Nobody's really on the puts. I mean, obviously you got the usual 55, 60, just over 1,000 there, but really it looks like everybody else is trading those calls for sure. So again, just to reiterate, watch this 62.75 level. That's that 50% fib retrace. Everything's going to be all about that going forward. And we'll see if we might get a little push in here into earnings. So keep an eye out on that. It's going to kind of all depend on how the tech sector trades earlier in the week. But with earnings, I don't think we really have not much to worry about in here in Twitter. RSI, stochastics, both relatively overbought. Who cares? Earnings catalyst coming up in a couple days. So just watching these moving averages in here, watching that 50% fib retrace at the 62.75 mark. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on our social media. We have attached links to our socials in the description. And we also have a trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.